channel, Sala's Gun Cleaning. My name is Sala and I wish you so warmly welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy. We are today cleaning and organizing. As you see here, I have quite a bit of boxes and bags full of stuff I've gathered from all over the home, and now they need to find their new place. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great today, and I'm happy. I had a little meeting in the morning with some moms, and now I'm doing the voiceovers at home. It is calm and peaceful, and I'm super happy about that. My baby is sleeping. She is 3 months old. I'm a mom of two, and my older daughter is 3 years old. And today in my video we're gonna be tackling this pile of things and also the laundry, and you're gonna get a sneak peek of our little daughter that was born a little while ago. I will not be showing my kids in the video on purpose. They might jump in or they might be seen a little bit, but just to keep their life as kids should have. And I hope you have a good day. I hope you get the motivation and energy you need for your cleaning and organizing in your home. And as a very good tip, just to start the video, if you have extra laundry baskets or if you want to get some, they will be amazing when you have to quick clean your home. You know, when you have guests coming over or, just get it all nice and clean before you want to do something in there. Grab one laundry basket, fill it with the stuff, from the floors, couches, tables, just stuff there, get it out of the way, and then take a time to go through it later. Now, some people might say, well, oh, I'm gonna forget those baskets, but put them in a place where you're gonna pass them all the time. In that way, you're not gonna forget them, and they'll probably bother you enough for you to start thinking where to put those things. Now, for me, because we have a newborn, I don't always have the time to do long cleaning, so I have to figure out ways how to do it quickly, and this is one of the best ways. I've done this for a long time, and it helps me also with the things that do not really have a place. When you have to find a place for a weird pen or a gadget that someone has bought or you've been gifted with, those kind of things where you don't know where to put them. So put them in the basket, take your time and plan when you're gonna do that, and then figure out with each item what you're gonna do with them. Do you need to throw them away, or are they something that you want to keep and you have a place for? But let's get cleaning, and I hope you enjoy and you get whatever you need for doing your home, your nest.
Know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you, 'cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you, 'cause I can't waste another night sitting here alone, hoping for your voice on the telephone. I know it's a supercut as you walk away, playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes, and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go. And I'll never let you go. cut as you walk away. Playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes. And the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can do it all again, and I'll never let you go.
See those boxes that I just touched over there? They're on the right. I bet you've noticed them, and maybe you have some of those in your home. Boxes that are filled with things that you do actually need. We have on top there is something, I think it's Christmas related, and then there's winter gear, extra blankets and pillows, and some books that I don't know where to put them. And I think we all have those boxes and piles. And I am a person that I do not want to have stuff laying around. I want to have them, you know, in a designated place where I can reach them when I need to and put them back easy when I need to. Now, these ones I don't use often. Rarely, like once in a year, or just, you know, occasionally when someone comes over for a visit and they need a blanket and a pillow. But I just struggle with all these piles and, you know, clutter. I could say clutter, though they're not clutter because we need them, but they just take space from the floor, and they should be somewhere, you know, in a storage. And so I challenge you, and I challenge myself, to find a place for your belongings. Find a place for a box that's been there forever. I challenge you to open the box and look inside and decide, are you going to keep those things? What are you going to do with them? Where are you going to designate them? Because when you find that place, and I've done it in some of the rooms in our home now, that brings such a peace of mind. I mean, I can't explain, because it is a big thing, and I've noticed that in our everyday life. I see it in how my daughter, she's now 3, how she reacts when she walks around the home and she sees things and they're organized, and when she needs to grab some of those things, it's easy for her. You know, it teaches her how to be independent and how to do things, because she's able to go and get them herself. And so it is a big thing, not only for yourself, but your family. And I challenge you with that. Let me know down in the comments how it goes. If you've started the challenge, if you are going to do something, if you know, tell me about a place that's trouble in your home. And also, if you would like to get a video about me, working with a space, a specific space, or a problem that you have with keeping your home clean and organized. Now I am moving to the laundry, and we have a lot of laundry nowadays. Most of it is, once again, not cleaned, and the other part is in the baskets waiting for it to be put away, folded and put away. That's the biggest task, in my opinion. For me, the biggest thing with laundry is to fold and especially put them away. So that's something I need to work with, but I don't know if I'll ever get to the finish line. We'll see. But now, let's get cleaning. If you have something you need to do, grab that basket, do the laundry, whatever you need to do. I am doing it here with you. share with you something about the laundry room that we have over here that I'm cleaning. There are very good ones and negative side to this laundry room. It is quite spacious and I like it for that reason. But at the same time, we access the bathroom and sauna that is right next to me. On my right, there's a door where we can access it. And I love the shelf that we have that I was filling with the towels. That has been a lifesaver when we have guests coming over, when we are taking the kids to the bath, and just, you know, whenever we go to sauna, it's easy to grab the towel from there. But having the bathroom next to the laundry room and going through the laundry to the bathroom it's a thing itself. You know how your laundry can get messy, cluttered, and oftentimes we have a rack where we dry our clothes, and that is always on the way. So using that as I guess it would be called as a family bathroom, is a bit of a pain because we have to go through the laundry, the clothes, the piles, the cleaning, whatever, you know, is there in your laundry room. You know how it is, you know, it's not a pretty place usually, unless you keep it clean very good. I'm not so good at that. I would like to be, but that's the reason I would want to have the laundry separate. Now, I've thought of having a renovation to do one extra bathroom for the kiddos from half of this laundry room that we have over here. And there's this little corner that you see over here. I could put a wall from there all the way to the back wall and then separate that. But yeah, it costs money. It is pretty expensive to renovate in Finland unless you do it yourself, but to be able to do the plumbing and the electricity, you gotta have a degree. But now we're almost finished, and I wish you amazing rest of the week, and I hope to see you in my next video that will be coming soon. See you, bye bye.